This is Constructed AI, an app for recording, visualizing, and predicting construction sales and costs. This is the interface of Constructed AI. This is the active project dashboard where you can select projects and view the budget and actual costs associated with them. And you can add a cost down below, the different cost types that you can add. We're going to add a materials cost for $5,000 for lumber. Cost is updated, and you can see in real time the cost gets added to the materials, and you can go to the materials chart and see the lumber for 5,000 was the most recent entry. Now we're going to add a labor cost of 7,500 for weekly pay. Cost was added, and we can go to the labor chart and see weekly pay. And these all get added to the daily log. And this is the daily log where you can see cost updates, progress updates, new to-do items, completed to-do items, and other cost updates throughout the day and throughout the week. And it gives the date, the type of cost update, the amount, and the description in the daily logs. You can generate an invoice of all the costs associated with the project. So it gives the company title, invoice, and then the different fields, the descriptor, the amount, the date, and the type of cost, and it gives a total cost at the bottom of the invoice. You can generate a report of the different charts associated with the project. So here's a constructed AI report for Houston Avenue. You can see all the costs associated with the project first, and then the materials costs below. Then the labor cost is right there, and then the operating cost. And finally the subcontractor cost. So you can rapidly compare all the different costs associated with the project. This is the project schedule, which is a Gantt chart that you can manipulate by dragging and dropping the different entries on the chart. You can also drag the progress bar. So this is the percent complete of a project. You can add a task by filling in the task name and the start and end date and progress. This is the to-do list, where you can add items and they get added to the to-do list, and if you check them off, they get put down in the completed to-do list. So we'll add contact the electrician to the to-do items, and it gets added to the to-dos. And we'll click coordinate the framing, and that'll get added to completed to-do items. And that updates the daily logs, so we have completed to-do items and new to-do item, contact the electrician. This is the predictive analytics section. I'll show you the neural predictions. They're more accurate. Our neural network prediction feature uncovers patterns that linear regression can miss, especially on larger data sets. In just 20 to 30 seconds, it analyzes all completed projects, delivering smarter data-driven forecasts to enhance your decision making. Here we put in 75,000 square feet, and we got the prediction results here. We got material costs, labor costs, operating costs, subcontractor costs, total cost of 792,000, and a sales price of 1.3 million. Days to completion is 121. So this is the neural sales forecasting. Our sales forecasting feature uses a powerful recurrent neural network to deliver accurate data-driven predictions. It uncovers patterns that traditional models miss, helping you plan ahead with confidence. The more data you input, the more accurate your 6-month forecast becomes. So this is the trend. We're on the downward trend here, but it's predicting for 6 months. This is the all completed projects table that you can scroll through. It's a multi-page table. And you can add a completed project in the add new project form, where it's got the square feet, the cost, the start and end date, and the sales price. These are the visualizations of the completed project, so sales and cost data over time. You can look at each individual point, or you can turn data sets on and off to drill down into what you're interested in. This is the monthly profits over time, where you can look at individual points. This is the square footage versus days to completion. So you can look at the project, days to completion, and the square foot of that project. Circle Avenue, days to completion is 153, square foot is 100,000. And these are the different project types in the database. The low income has 3, commercial has 4, residential has 4, and mixed use has 2. This is the AI assistant that you can ask questions to in natural language and get responses back about the database. What is the cost per square foot on all completed projects? $57.23. What is the average profit on all completed projects? Average profit is $420,000. And what is the average ROI on all completed projects? And that's the AI assistant. And that's the current version of Constructed AI in its current form.